Hey guys, just want to make a quick video and talk to you about these Gillette Proglide Plus. Now, I've been using these razors for quite a while. I just want to show you the packaging. This is one of the configurations of the packaging with the razor itself. Multiple blades, of course. There's all different kinds of configurations online. But I really want to get into really the meat and potatoes regarding the razor. I love this razor. I've been using this for about a year now. This is my second package, and actually no, my third package, and I absolutely love this razor. I love the way it feels in the hands. I love the smoothness, the texture. Easy to change these cartridges. Let me just show you. There's a little button right here. Just push that button and it releases it, and this is how you change the cartridge. So it's super easy and super convenient. To put the new one in, you just basically pop the new one in, it locks in the flex head just like you see here. So you got that pivot. Let me just show you that here in the front. You get that pivot and you got that swivel. And that gives you the maximum amount of shave from my experience. Okay, it's got the little thing in here that gives you a little smooth lather. It's got this part here. It just raises up the beard a little bit. It helps raise it. So basically it raises it, cuts it, and then gives you a little bit of smooth, a little like a film on your face, almost like a conditioning your face afterwards. So it's got that whole system all built into this actual razor. It fits good on the hand, doesn't slip. It's got a little rubber on it here. Hopefully you can see that, a little bit of rubber, metal, plastic, all kinds of stuff. It's got this cool, I like this cool flex head. I like this quite a bit. Now, another thing that a lot of people don't talk about, the back of it also has a little blade as well. So you want to trim some of your sideburns, you want to trim under your neck, the neckline. Sometimes really hard to get some of those stubborn hairs. That's what this does. Little hard to tell in the back of the little tiny blade right on top, and then you get some of those little stubborn hairs. This is where you do your maximum amount of shaving in the front. The front of it gives the most use. And then the back here is when you do some of the trim up with those hairs that are stubborn little hairs. Again, I absolutely love it. I've been using it for, like I said, over a year. Gillette Proglide Plus. If you're looking for a high quality razor, Gillette is it. And you know what? You get what you pay for, and I absolutely love the quality of this blade. Fantastic. It works great. Appreciate your time. Thanks for watching.